What's up? What's up, guys? We're going to try to speak in English for this vlog so we can familiarize ourselves, be more comfortable speaking English. We're going to Metro Manila today. We're going to pick up the plate of the Dominar 400GG. Fortunately, I mean, it's bound to happen, right? We have when I checked the Google map, it was estimated for 1 hour and 51 minutes, and I think the estimated speed for that is our pace also, so we're not going above that speed because safety is our number one priority, and this doesn't have an ABS, you know. We've learned our lesson. We need to find some food first. I don't know where though. I was thinking of some fast food. The nearest fast food that damn, my vocabulary sucks, man. That's why I really need to learn English. We'll go to the nearest fast food that are on our way. We didn't take the Dominar because we're just not excited to use it, you know? And that's the reason of why I'm selling it too. It's just not exciting to me anymore. It's boring. There's not much thing that I can do. It's just a commuter bike for me. What's up, mga sir? We just got done eating, and we're gonna continue our journey now. Let's just be careful. It's gonna be a long while. We're doing the MacArthur. I hate this fucking part of the... Yeah, I think I'll see you guys later. This is why I don't like going to this fucking route. This is where my father crashed on his motorcycle. Not a good experience for me, bros. Traumatizing. Let's look at NLEX. Dang, NLEX is busy too. What the fuck? I thought school is suspended today. Why is it like that? So many people going out and about. Okay, traffic again. See here? That's why I don't like going on this fucking route. Nagawa pa rin pala ito. Mati ka pa tayo sumemplang doon po tayo. Taas pala nung ano. You almost crashed there. Alright, we're out in the MacArthur now. Let's just be safe. I hate this road. Look at this fucking traffic. That's why expressway is much convenient. Much safer too. The 100 pesos that you're paying, man, it's really worth it. Look at this fucking thing. Fuck this road, man. Hindi na tayo dadaan ng fucking Caloocan. Laki na ito pala, oh. Dito na tayo sa service road ng NLEX. Ngayon lang ulit dadaan dito after ilang months. XTZ pa yata yung huling ano ko dito, dala ko eh. Lakas ng hangin dito. Yung takbo nila sa NLEX, oh. Ganyan yung takbo natin, ang chill. Chill mode yan, ganyan, oh. Naman takbo natin dito, 55. Tapos ang dami pa titignan na lubak. Tulad nun. Dito tayo ngayon sa ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko nung hospital to eh. Golf course din to eh. Ano? Ang tagusan natin dito. Yun sa ano na, SM North na. Sana tama yung dinadaanan natin. Pero mukhang tama naman. Sarap dito, ang lamig oh. Iba talaga pag mapuno yung lugar. Ramdam mo talaga day and night pag mapuno. At sa hindi mapuno oh. Sarap oh. Sariwa yung hangin. We're about to enter the Quezon Avenue. I think we're gonna get the plate first before we go to my school to get my diploma, because I might get late picking up the plate if I go to the school first. Tayo. Traffic dyan yun. Finally, nakuha na natin yung ano, yung plate. Hindi naman lang tayo naka-experience ng may plate number. Dahil, ayun nga, benda na rin natin yung motor eh. Dito kaya tayo daan. Check lang natin. Kamusta ang St. Mary's College of Quezon City? You liked it, bros? They liked it! Hindi na one way to. Dati one way to, nung pumapasok pa ako eh. Imagine nyo bang dyan ako nag-aaral. Catholic schooler tayo yan, sir. Hili tayo sa harap. Huwag na, pahiya ako. Parang ano no, parang sarado na. Parang hindi na functional yung St. Mary's. Ba't ganun? On the way to school, wala tayong kapote. I hope we're on the right path because I'm kind of forgetting the streets over here in Metro Manila. Hope it doesn't rain. One way ba to? Tuloy tayong diretso ko ba? this place, man. Sir, kukuha lang po ako ng diploma.
Paano lang ang ID, sir?
Saan po?
Tandaan lang yung po, sir.
Apo. Okay po. Tanong ko na lang. Thank you po, sir.
Ilang cc yan, sir?
250 lang po to, sir. Oo. Hindi pa rin pwede sa expressway. Kukuha lang po ng diploma, ma'am. Diploma po. Hindi pa po. Bali nakuha na natin, sir. Mga sir, yung ano, yung diploma natin, ano, sa wakas. Ngayon, may check lang tayo motor dito sa may Kamuning London. Ayan. Tara.